This is my MathCast 1. The intended audience is grade 4. Our content or learning objective is finding the missing angle of a line, and it's created by Zachary Ledesma. Before we get into our problems, we have to go over vocab. One of our vocabulary words is a right angle, which is an angle that is not exactly 90 degrees. Our second vocabulary word is an acute angle, which is an angle that is less than 90 degrees. And our last vocabulary word is obtuse angle, which is an angle that is greater than 90 degrees. This is our problem 1. It is asking us to find the missing angle. We could tell that this is this right here is a 90-degree angle because it goes, no, that's not what I want. Because it goes like this right here. So we need to find the missing degree. So we have 45 degrees plus x equals 90 degrees. I'm sorry that it's sloppy. I'm doing this on my computer. It's kind of hard doing this on the little pin pad. So first things we have to do is subtract 45 degrees from both sides to get x by itself. So we see that 45 minus 45 is 0. So it would just be 0 plus x, or you could just have it x by itself equals 45 degrees. So the mixing angle is 45 degrees. So x equals 45 degrees. For this problem, we're trying to find the angle x. We know that a straight line has 180 degrees. So we had to take the angle that we know, which is 70, and subtract it from 180. So that would be, so we would have x plus 70 degrees equals 180 degrees. So we had to take 70 away from both sides, so minus 70 right here, minus 70 degrees on this side, and subtract 70 degrees from 180 degrees, and we get that x equals 110 degrees. So we know that angle x right here has to be 110 degrees. So it would be 110 plus 70 equals 180. So x equals 110 degrees. And let me just put my degree sign right there and right there. Whatever. And from our last problem we have is we had to find the angle of x. So we know that M and O is a straight line, so that has to be 180 degrees, and we have 83 degrees right here. So we can start off by x. Actually, it would not be that. It would start off as 83 plus x equals 180. So we have to subtract 83 degrees from both sides. That is supposed to be an 8. So basically, subtract 83 degrees from both sides, so we get x by itself, and we subtract 83, that would give us 97 degrees. So on our little thing right here, we'd have 83 plus x equals 180 degrees. And so we found that x equals 97 degrees. So x is 97, and if you ever had wondering how you could figure out how to make sure it is right, you could add 83 plus 97 to get 180. Thank you for watching my Mathcast. My resources were the Engage New York lessons.